Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe bethi the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama, amabhunu nabelungu had a problem, and i-future yey'ngane zenu, i-education system yase-South Africa was the solution. Ngo-1994 abantu abamnyama bethola inkululeko. Abelungu bathatha isinqumo sokuthi bazothatha umuntu omnyama bamfake kwisikhundla bamenze kube uyena i-leader ye-education system. Abelungu badecide ukuhlehla babalekisa iy'ngane zabo bayoyifaka ey'koleni zabo bodwa. Wasala umuntu omnyama kwathiwa akarani i-system. Ngenxa yokuthi umuntu omnyama bayamazi ukuthi unomhobholo, une-greed, kwakwaziwa ukuthi into azofocusa kakhulu kuyona is imali, akhohlwe ikusasa ley'ngane, adestroye ikusasa ley'ngane. It was always the plan yomlungu leyo. Nangempela yafezeka leyo nto ngoba wonke umuntu othi umphathi or uyi-minister of education uyayidla imali. Ngo-2023 kwavela ukuthi over 50% of ama-top executives, mangisho njalo ngiqonda ukuthi abantu abangabaphathi, abantu abama-CEO of amabhizinisi amakhulu eSouth Africa bafunda ema-private schools, mese kuwukuthi over 6% of abantu abafunda ema-public schools babaphathi emakhampanini amakhulu. Which means ukuthi ikhona i-gap between ama-private schools nama-public schools. Kuma-public schools iy'nkole zethu singabantu abamnyama ukuthola ukuthi kune-overcrowding, kugcwele kuley'kole. Njengoba kugcwele kusho ukuthi akusizona zonke iy'ngane ezizothola yonke into, ezizothola wonke ama-resources. Kanti kuy'kole zabelungu ezama-private schools bona bathola wonke ama-necessary requirements, bathola yonke into ukuze bakwazi ukuthi babe nenqubeka phambili bathuthuke. ESouth Africa, over 91% of iy'ngane zifunda ema-public schools, which means ema-public schools kugcwele ama-resources amaningi abanawo. That means ukuthi imindeni eminingi cannot afford ukukhokha imali engango-100,000 a year ukufaka iy'ngane zawo ey'koleni zabelungu. Even though wonke umzali uyafisa ukuthi ingane yakhe ithole a better education, better opportunities, but sometimes lokho is only a dream. It is only a dream ukuthi